If you're looking for a way to manage your money without handing over all your data to big banks or apps, you might have heard of Moneydance. It's a personal finance app that lets you track spending, manage budgets, and keep an eye on all your accounts. Bank accounts, credit cards, investments, even crypto. And unlike online-only tools like Mint or YNAB, Moneydance stores everything locally on your device, which is a big plus for privacy. That makes it great if you care about control and security and don't want your financial data stored in the cloud. But here's the thing. Moneydance isn't the easiest to set up at first, and the design feels a bit old school compared to slicker budgeting apps. If you're not tech-savvy, it can feel a little overwhelming. So, is it worth using? If you want full control over your finances and value privacy, yes, absolutely. But if you prefer something simple and beginner-friendly, you might be better off with a more modern budgeting tool. Let me know if you use Moneydance. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.